Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to add chapters or markers to your YouTube video. And this is mainly used when you have longer videos. For instance, on my latest video, how to use DaVinci Resolve 17, I have multiple topics that I go through it, and the ideal part was to add chapters because, let me show you right here. So right here you can see importing media, selecting lower resolution for optimization. What about if I just want to go into this video and just learn how to add titles to it? So I don't want to watch the whole video, so I'm just going to go straight to here. If I click here, it will take me there. Okay, so basically is a great function that should be applied mainly to longer videos or for smaller videos as well, because sometimes people are on the rush. They just want to know exactly what they want and leave, you know? Okay, so let's just add these chapters to a different video that I did a couple weeks ago. It's about the Falcon FG mini RGB light. So as you notice, there's no titles, but I go through multiple topics from the open box to the test and to the application. So let's go in here. Let's see, let's edit the video. The key thing to do is to add the time. So we're gonna type 00 semicolon 00 intro and so on. Depends on where I want the chapters to appear on the video. I already went through it and created a bunch of chapters, so it's gonna copy and paste to go faster, because I know we always want to go faster because we're working on projects and all we're gonna do is learn and move on. So I'm gonna these are all my chapters that I want to use on this video. So just keep in mind that it's really important you put the first one 0000 intro. So once I'm ready, all I gotta do is save it. Sometimes the changes are made immediately, and sometimes it will take a little while, like 24 hours, I believe. So let's go on the video and see if it changed.
YouTube is the #1 site for millions of creators online, but as more people flood to the
skip, and
this is the Falcon
actually
mini RGB LED light.
And actually it did change it right away. So it has the intro. Let's see how I turn it on, how to turn it on. Let me click on there, and it shows you how to turn on the device. There's a menu, the application, how to use it, and there's a test. Maybe I need to move it a little better. Oh shit, no, the test is over here actually. Oh, I need to reset this one. So okay, so let's say we made a mistake and the test part actually start on the second right here, which is 224. We can go back in there and fix it. The test is actually a 224. I'm gonna fix that and resave. And we're gonna open again. I'm gonna close the other one. So now let's go on the test, and it's now on 224. So it did actually change it. So changes are made pretty much immediately, so that's the good thing. Then again, usually do this for longer videos or for small videos, well, but mainly for longer videos that have like in my case, so for how to use that DaVinci Resolve has like probably 15 topics or so. So that's easy for people that only wants to learn or they forgot, because that's actually the main purpose of my channel, so I do not forget. And that's what I do these videos, so just in case I forget, I can go back and learn it again on my own. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. And don't forget to put a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, please don't put a thumbs down. Go somewhere else. And leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next one. Bye bye.